Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn more about Oregon State University's Graduate Business School programs. Over the course of this presentation, we'll share who we are, the specific graduate business programs offered at OSU, and then we'll take a deep dive into each piece of the application process. Lastly, we'll discuss next steps and how you can connect with us if you have any more questions. Dive into some of these workshop details. We are going to be going over the OSU graduate business programs, taking a look inside the application, steps to submitting the application, and finally, next steps to complete after the presentation. Many of you are already familiar with our programs and program formats. I'm going to share a few slides covering basic information about our programs, but not too much detail here as today's workshop is primarily focused on the application process. If you want to learn more, I would encourage you to attend one of our virtual information sessions where we can cover program and program format information in more details. At Oregon State University, we offer three graduate business degrees: the Master of Business Administration, or better known as the MBA, the Master of Science in Business, or MSB, as well as graduate certificates. The MBA is designed to prepare you to assume a leadership or management position in your industry, or to refine your leadership skills. Students learn broad-based business skills including finance, marketing, business analytics, supply chain, human resources, and more. You'll also have the opportunity to tailor your degree with one of our specialized tracks, which have been designed with today's most needed skills in mind. The MBA is one of the most versatile and well-recognized degrees available. The MBA is a 60-credit degree. However, students with an undergraduate business major or minor may be eligible for our 45-credit accelerated path. The Master of Science in Business, or again MSB, will give you focused exploration into a specific business discipline. It is an opportunity for you to bring a strong foundation of business acumen and leadership qualities while giving you the tools to be an expert in the field. The MSB is a 45-credit degree. Students can choose to focus in supply chain analytics or marketing insights and analytics, finance, and finance analytics. The best way to discuss the differences between the MBA and MSB is to look at it from a fraction point of view. The MBA is two-thirds business classes and one-third concentration classes, while the MSB is the opposite at two-thirds concentration classes and one-third general business. Our graduate certificates will help you develop new skills with a deep dive into a specific topic that will help you advance your career. While not a graduate degree, our certificate programs are a great option for those looking to refresh their skills or learn something entirely new. Next up, I want to explore the different program formats we have created to accommodate student lifestyles, even if they change while you're taking the program. Here at OSU, we've worked to design a suite of program formats to provide the flexibility students and professionals are asking for. At Oregon State, you have the option to enroll in our graduate business programs in person in Corvallis, fully online, or in a hybrid format located in Portland. The hybrid format blends in-person and online coursework. Each hybrid course meets in person twice per term. For Portland students, in-person classes take place either on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the Robertson Life Science Building. Our online program is designed so that you can do the work at a time and place that fits your schedule. That means you can balance work, family, and your classes. Our degrees can be completed part-time entirely online through OSU's eCampus, which is ranked 5th in the nation for online course delivery. Online classes are offered asynchronously, meaning you can take in the content at a time and place of your choosing. These programs are generally completed part-time. The quickest path to completion will be between 21 and 30 months, depending upon the program of study and credit hour requirements. These conversations will be had with an academic advisor upon admission into the program. Our Corvallis classes are mostly in person and are all about forging connections with your peers, meeting the right people, including alumni and other experts, and engaging in discussions on advanced concepts. In person classes are held in Austin Hall. It features 10 state-of-the-art classrooms, a computer lab, a 250-seat auditorium, and lots of open space for students to work on group projects. Corvallis students can complete the MBA or MSB in a minimum of 12 months or 9 months for the accelerated students. Flexibility is a defining feature of Oregon State's graduate programs and one of the things that really sets us apart. We want our programs to fit into your life and ensure the completion of your goals. Now that we've covered our programs, let's dive into the application process. To be considered for MBA admission, we require applicants to submit an online application, including the application fee, official transcripts from any previous degrees earned, an updated copy of your resume, responses to short answer questions on the application, and 2 references. For international students, we also require TOEFL or IELTS or Duolingo scores. For the next few slides, I'm going to show you screenshots of what the inside of the application actually looks like. Here you can see the first page of the general information section to select your major, degree, and which campus you'd like to attend. Please double check that you choose the correct major and degree code. Here on this page, I wanted to show you the inside of the checklist on what will be the next section of the application. See in the purple 0%, this application does not have anything uploaded. However, I do want to bring to your attention to what this page will look like if you select and not complete a portion of the checklist and then return to the checklist main page. See in the green here, it appears as though the portion I selected was completed, but that isn't the case. Just because you reviewed the sections of the application does not mean you have completed them. Make sure to go back and double check manually through the checklist to ensure you have uploaded everything you need to submit. The preferred GPA for our graduate programs is a 3.0 on a 4.0 scale for admissions. However, if you fall below this, please don't panic. We will work with you on your specific qualifications to see if there are any parts of your application we can consider to boost your admissions chances. We look at your application holistically, meaning we will look into your past coursework as well as professional experience and life experience. Every case is different, so I would encourage you to reach out to a recruiter to help you with your specific application. You will need to upload all transcripts from all institutions attended, meaning that if you've attended a community college, for example, you will need those complete transcripts submitted as well, even if they appear on your graduated institution's transcripts. You can order them electronically, but please make sure to specify Oregon State University and not just OSU, as they may be sent to an incorrect school like Ohio State University. Please make sure to select graduate admissions as the recipient or submit them via email to osumba@oregonstate.edu. The short answer questions is a great area to let us know what motivated you to seek this degree, what you hope to accomplish with this degree, and hopefully create a more holistic picture of who you are as not only a student, but as a professional after you've graduated. When writing your answers, please make sure you have proper grammar and have proofread your statements to ensure they have answered the questions completely. The review committee is taking professionalism into consideration when reviewing these statements, so please ensure that there is no casual language or abbreviations you wouldn't use in a professional setting. I recommend typing your answers into a Word document, not only to help check for the items I listed, but to make sure your answers are saved in case your internet goes down. This application does not autosave. Finally, have multiple audiences review your answers before you copy and paste them back into your application. When it comes to your letters of reference, please ensure that you've given your references ample time to create a strong, personalized message for you. We will require personal information from all references, including an up-to-date email address, their full name, and of course, their relationship to you. The review committee doesn't have a preference on academic or professional letters, only that the writers of the letters can speak to your maturity, leadership qualities, creative drive, work ethic, and other aspects. We will only look at 2 references. If you submit 3 or more, we will select 2 at random. Filling out the information on this page correctly is critical. Please double check that you have spelled their email address correctly and have once again spoken to your reference prior to sending them the reference request. This is a snippet of what your reference will receive in their email. Please have your references also check their spam and junk folder just in case. When it comes to test scores at OSU, they are not required for our application process. However, if you have already taken one of the listed tests and have a competitive score, please add them on here. Please take note that this section does not have an asterisk, so again, it is not a requirement to add information. The document upload page is where you will be uploading a copy of your resume. And of course, your resume is a great place for you to let us know who you are outside the realms of test scores and GPAs. Let us know more about you, what you've accomplished, and where your past experiences, professional work, and hobbies shape who you are. As you can see on this page, there is not an asterisk, but the College of Business does require a resume. If you do not upload one, it will hold up your application, so please be sure to triple check this section to make sure you have uploaded your resume. Submitting the application. You can submit the application prior to your references submitting their references for you. The application fee for domestic applications is $75, while the fee for international applications is $85. Submitting your application initiates our ability to compile your application file. We will email you letting you know if you are missing any required materials. We will also email you once your application file is completed and being sent for review. Deadlines enrolling admissions. Deadlines for each term are posted on our website. We accept applications for all 4 terms, spring, summer, fall, and winter. All eligible applicants will be considered until the deadline. We continuously review applications, so no matter when you apply, you will receive an admission decision within 1 to 2 weeks. A caveat being during our fall semester, that is our busiest semester, so it may take us a tad bit longer to give you the admissions decision. Next steps. Feel free to start the online application and browse the different elements. This will help you prepare and know the time commitment to complete a competitive application packet. You can save your work and go back to it as many times as you'd like. Please use this as resources to get to know our programs better and to walk through the application process. Scan the QR code to schedule a time with a member of our recruitment team. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the recruitment team and schedule some time with us on our calendars. We would be more than happy to meet with you one-on-one via a phone call to help you out with your application. Thank you for joining us at the Oregon State University Virtual Application Workshop. We are looking forward to receiving your completed application, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day.